funny.
Hey guys, today Vivo announced its latest flagship Vivo NEX, a production version of the Vivo Epic's concept phone that was showcased at MWC 2018. The smartphone comes with 6.59-inch Super AMOLED Ultra FullView display with a screen-to-body ratio of whopping 91.2% and a full HD plus resolution. The phone comes with a screen soundcasting technology, which basically means that the speakers are integrated with the screen. Further, all the sensors on the device are hidden under the display. Because of the narrow bezels surrounding the display, Vivo had to come up with a unique solution for the front-facing camera, that is pop-up front-facing camera. The 8-megapixel front-facing snapper popped up when you want to take a selfie. The device features a third-generation in-display fingerprint scanning technology, which according to the company increases the screen unlock time by 10% and increases the overall experience of phone unlocking. On the back side, here is dual camera setup, which consists of 12 plus 5 megapixel sensors with f1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization. The Vivo NEX smartphone comes in 3 variants. The high-end model, dubbed as Vivo NEX S, is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 processor along with Adreno 630 GPU, 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The mid-end variant has the same specs as that of the highest-end variant except for the internal storage, as it packs 128GB of internal storage. The cheapest variant among the three, which is called Vivo NEX A, comes powered by Qualcomm's recently launched Snapdragon 710 processor along with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and all three models are powered by a 4000 mAh battery. Furthermore, the smartphones come equipped with the company's own personal voice assistant Jovi, which kinda like Bixby, and it also works same as what Bixby can do, and company says it will keep learning based on the understanding of the user. In future, the company will be rolling out several new features related to this Jovi voice assistant. There's a dedicated button on the side of the camera that triggers Jovi on the long press action. Vivo says that it has established AI joint collaboratives with partners with an aim to provide a brand new experience through AI intelligence. The smartphone comes with Vivo's new design custom user interface running on top of Android Oreo operating system out of the box, and the Vivo NEX will be available in 2 color options, diamond black and ruby red. The high-end model with 8GB of RAM is priced at 4,998 Yuan, which roughly converts to $780, while the mid-range device costs 4,498 Yuan, approximately $702. On the other hand, the cheapest variant with Snapdragon 710 costs 3,898 Yuan, which roughly converts to $609. Pre-orders for the smartphone starts from tomorrow in China, and maybe it will come soon all over the world. And now let me know what you guys think about it, and make sure to subscribe for more upcoming daily tech videos. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.